Do you feel like there's a mess to clean up around every corner? Are you tired of digging through your storage shed or garage trying to get to your shop vacuum? Or the hassle of having to go to the car wash to use the vacuum? Then now is the perfect time to consider the VacuMaid Garage Vac, a leader in the vacuum industry with over 60 years of experience. This powerful unit, constructed from galvanized steel, will be a staple in your cleaning arsenal for years to come. This easy-to-install durable vacuum system is wall-mounted, so it's up and out of your way, ready to use at the flip of a switch. Installation is simple. Just bolt the bracket to the wall and slide the garage vac on the bracket, and now you're ready to clean up all those messes. This versatile system isn't confined to the garage. The 30 or 50-foot hose makes it suitable to reach any part of the garage or driveway. And for even more cleaning power, longer life, and metal tools, we offer the VacuMaid Garage Vac Pro. The 7-gallon capacity vacuum bag neatly seals off for mess-free disposal. It uses a special thick 5-layer HEPA bag for excellent filtration. Latches keep the lid secure at all times. This system comes powder-coated in a variety of colors and has tools and accessories for your garage cleaning needs. Plus, it's backed by a 5-year residential warranty. There is a floor brush for the garage or shop floor, and premium cleaning tools for dusting and cleaning upholstery, vehicle floors, and the cracks and crevices of your vehicle or shop bench. Convert this dry vac system to a wet vac with the optional purchase of a wet pickup kit. There are a number of optional tools that can be added to your VacuMaid Garage Vac arsenal, including the car upholstery tool, flexible crevice tool, a pet grooming tool, handheld air turbine, and even extra hanging brackets. All of the included attachments are kept in a convenient caddy bag. If you have questions, give us a call. No call center operators. You will speak directly to the manufacturer and our knowledgeable customer service department. Made in the USA by leaders who have been manufacturing quality products since 1956. Find us at VacuMaid.com or on Amazon.